How to add files in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the project where you want to add your files. If you are starting a new project, just click on New Project, give it a name and press Create. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and click on the Media tab. This is where you can import all your files like videos, audio or images. Now, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on File, then choose Import and click Media. A window will pop up where you can browse your computer for the files you want to use. You can also drag and drop files directly from your computer into the media pool if that feels easier. Once your files are in the media pool, switch to the Edit tab at the bottom. From here, just drag the files from the media pool into your timeline. You can place them wherever you want on the timeline to start editing. If you ever want to organize your files better, you can right-click in the media pool and create new bins. This helps when you are working with lots of clips and want to keep things clean. And that's it. Now you know how to add files in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.